Guys, Patronn here, what's up? All the way from Orlando, okay? Sales to hustle grind. So, we out here at the conference in Orlando, all right? The Sales and Grind Con, and of course I want to be part of it. Why wouldn't I want to be part of this conference? So, don't forget also we got our own conference going on, the Game Changer, AutomotiveGameChanger.com in New York. This is the way we're gonna do it, guys, El Patronn style. So cocktail hour, everything's gonna be just something like this that we're trying to put together for you guys as well. You need to attend these conferences, guys. You learn so much from these conferences all the time. I'm looking to learn for the next few days, okay? And you should do it as well, because you know what? At the end of the day, if we don't learn, we don't grow, guys. At the end of the day, that's what it is, okay? So reach out, click the link below, all right? Let's get this conference going, all right? El Patronn style, all the way from Orlando, coming down to you guys. So peace. See you guys at the conference.